Let's look at the evolution of LEGO helicopters. We start from 1976. Look how square the helicopter is, and the minifigures don't even have arms and legs. 1981, still simple. 1999, this helicopter already has a window as one full-fledged part. 2007 looks more modern and more complicated. Here is helicopter from 2008. 2010. 2012, the nose of the helicopter is in one piece and looks realistic. 2013, another mini helicopter. 2014, such a small one, but made for minifigure. 2016, a cargo helicopter that has a real hook and rope. 2020, this one is really complicated and even has blades with mechanisms. 2021, this fire helicopter shoots water in the form of pots. 2022, and this one is small again. But also in the same year we got this Airbus from LEGO Technic, and this is an extremely detailed and complicated LEGO helicopter. 2023, nah. And finally 2024, another fire helicopter that can shoot. Of course, these were not all LEGO helicopters, but if you want more, let me know in the comments.